All right, guys, this is I'm just back real quick. I wanted to talk about the original Garage Moto front fairing for the 2023 Low Rider S 117. I picked this partially because I like that kind of beefiness compared to the I guess Advent Black. I forget exactly what company it is makes them. It's very slim, very streamlined. It looks good. It does look good. It wraps around the light completely, but it kind of misses this kind of like a little bit of detail that, you know, I really kind of think that's cool. And I just wanted to be a little different, you know. So that's what I got. It wasn't a hard install, from what my mechanic said. Wink, wink. I'm from New York City and did not grow up using tools, so like that. So I'm really bad with this. But I think it took maybe about an hour. Oh yes, the Memphis Shades one. That's what I'm talking about. I did get the Memphis Shades grip shields. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them or not. I don't really know if they really make that much difference. Maybe if I rode in the winter, they would. But the big difference is, you know, this is, I think this is the 15-inch shade, the shield. I still get wind. I just think it's impossible to completely avoid wind. I don't know. I'm 5'7", and with the boots I'm like 5'8", maybe. 5'7.5". Yeah, so with the boots I'm like 5'8", 5'8.25". And I get wind in my face, and this, you know, is what it is. I got wind in my face at 80, 90 when I was riding the street glide. And in fact, in street glide, sometimes I was a little worse, actually, which is kind of interesting. But yeah, so you can adjust this. You know, you can. It doesn't really fit flush, but you can adjust it to be a little more in. I think that there are bushings and stuff like that you can use. You know, and I think that there might be room for at some point for the stereo. But yeah, that's really it, man. You know, I'm not fancy schmancy YouTuber. I'm just feel like a lot of videos are being done about a lot of parts on this bike and these bikes, and I just figured I would do my own little take and let you guys know how I feel about them and the stuff I'm doing to the bike. And if you want me to do more, if you have questions about certain parts that you see, I'll do a little video on that too. Okay. But at this point, no performance mods have been done. It's only got like 300 miles on the bike, so but I've done a shitload already. Next weekend, I think we're doing the Dominator Industries bars. So this is going to be the T-bars. I really look forward to that, and I'll talk about why I felt that I needed them. Thanks, bye.